Opposite end of the lake is what we are.
So which way do you think we need to go?
We gotta go on that side of the lake.
How did we get
Oh,
here?
it's all ice cream right there. 36 flavors.
All right, I'll take everybody out to ice cream. How's that sound? I'm gonna make up for it.
Yeah, then we'll give you a really good evaluation.
There you go.
Tracy, what kind of tree is this?
Well, I don't know. If it was a whale in your backyard, you could call me.
You want to be taken seriously?
I have to be taken seriously.
Craig, guess what I found?
Yeah, Patty, what'd you find?
I found a pine cone!
A pine cone?
Yeah, that's a pine
You don't know this is not a pine cone? Did you learn anything the other day? This is not a pine cone.
I'm sorry.
Where'd it come from? A spruce.
A spruce cone!
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, a pine cone!
Don't you cry. Get out of you. Just
Sorry,
leave.
I'm sorry!
That's enough out of you.
Rock here, a limestone. We got a igneous rock here, a granite.
Ignorant, it's called?
Igneous.
Igneous.
Igneous. And we have a metamorphic quartzite.
Metamorphosis, like the butterfly?
You got it. Those are yours.
Metamorphosis. Thank you,
All
Coach.
right.
And then they've made the evolutionary choice, so they have a lot of protection, which also makes them really heavy. But when they fly, it's like this.
Oh, jeez!
Are you okay?
I'm fine because I'm a beetle. I'm built tough.
Thank you.
There's different ways. You can just do like the lazy mirror, like this, or you can do the flying lead.
Nature